Welcome to the course on housekeeping. What is housekeeping? Effective housekeeping can help eliminate hazards and increase efficiency in completing a job. It also makes it easier to find first aid kits, emergency exits, and fire extinguishers. Housekeeping is a basic but important part of accident and fire prevention. Poor housekeeping frequently contributes to accidents by hiding hazards that can lead to injuries. Housekeeping is not just cleanliness, it must be an ongoing process. Housekeeping includes keeping work areas neat and orderly, maintaining halls and floors free from slip and trip hazards, removing waste materials, for example paper, cardboard, and other fire hazards from work areas. It also involves paying attention to important details such as the layout of the whole workplace, aisle markings, the adequacy of storage facilities, maintenance. Why worry about housekeeping? Storage areas and/or warehouses often require special safety considerations. This is because there are many different health and safety hazards that a worker could be exposed to in the storage areas. You can also call us at 866-706-7283, extension 2, or email us at sales@fast-rescue.com.